Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find your liked videos in YouTube on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open YouTube on your PC and sign in to your Google account. This will ensure that your liked videos are synced and accessible. Step 2. In the menu on the left side of the screen, locate and select Liked Videos. To view the menu, click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. Step 3. If you don't find the Liked Videos option in the menu, look under the U section. Click on Show More to expand the options, and you'll find Leaked Videos listed there. Please note that the Leaked Videos playlist can display a maximum of 5,000 videos. And that's it. You have successfully found your liked videos in YouTube on your PC. Now you can easily access and enjoy your favorite videos whenever you want. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.